Saw this at Costco today for $49. This is the S200 model. Let's open it up and evaluate if this product is really good to the hype that I always heard about it. I need to put some air on my tires. They are a little bit low pressure. It's a good time to test it out. In the past, you used to buy a lot of those products and they don't have any charge at all. Yeah. For example, when you buy an iPhone or an iPad, they usually have some leftovers. Kind of a pouch. Let's turn it on. Yeah, there is no battery. Let's charge it up. It already came with battery. I'm gonna need to read the manual, maybe? It should be easy. You just should push this button and use. Let me find out. I figured that out. Actually, it's this button you need to push, but you need to push and hold until you turn it on. So here's showing what is the set pressure. Here's the actual pressure. It matches very close to what the Tesla is saying. Let's put 43. And another comment about this, they have the right length on this cable that you can reach the top or the bottom, and you don't need to keep holding this. It's very heavy. I mean, heavy to the point that makes kind of a small brick that gives good balance to keep standing by itself, and you can connect easily, just like that. Yeah, you can see it has the right length to be able to reach every single moment of truth. Let's see if the tire is correct. It's still showing 37, 36. I inflated with 43. It looks like it's measuring 1 psi off. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Maybe gonna need to drive to update it. I'm not gonna drive more today, only tomorrow morning, but tomorrow morning I can check this out, see when that number gonna be updated according to the actual after I inflated those tires. To finalize, let's put on the pouch and adjust. It does a good job. Very portable, and the Tesla has a lot of room to save this. Most likely I'm just gonna leave here. I could put it underneath as well, but I'm gonna leave over there unless it starts making a lot of noise. But I will keep here, keep it, save it. And I hope that you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me.